Hey, it's A Automotive Reviews. Ford confirms there were suspension about the Bronco donut doors. The triumphant return of the Ford Bronco has been one and continues to be one of the biggest events in the auto industry in recent months. Although its original debut plans were delayed because of the coronavirus pandemic, Ford still puts together an impressive series of online debuts. And to date, the order book speaks for themselves. The Bronco is already a smash hit. There's over 190,000 reservations, and not a single unit has rolled off the assembly line yet. Not only is it a serious off-roader that'll give the Jeep Wrangler its most direct competition in years, if not ever, but the Bronco looks fantastic. But not all the features shown on the Cyber Orange two-door debut concept will make production. More specifically, those donut doors. Check them out right here, folks. Speaking of Ford Authority, Ford North America Icon Communications and Media Relation Manager, Jayan Cadez, made one thing clear once and for all about those doors. They're not happening. That isn't news, Cadez said. We're always touted the Bronco two-door with a stylized door as one of the ways we are looking at personalization opportunities. The same vehicle features a 2-inch lift, custom wheels, and unique interior. The good news is that the Bronco buyers for both 2 and 4-door body styles will have a 200-part accessory catalog at their disposal. Ever since the Bronco's online reveal, those donut doors caught the attention of many, but sadly, they're not happening, folks. In fact, Ford is only now showing pre-production Broncos at various events with standard factory doors. They need to make it clear those donut doors were nothing more than a design showcase. But fortunately, Bronco owners can still fully remove the doors whenever they like. But unlike the Wrangler, the Bronco windshield cannot fold flat. Hey, we can't win them all, Ford says. Just last week, the online Bronco configurator went live and fully optioned the price tag, which exceeds $70,000, of course. That's when using the $61,605 MSRP. The first edition 4-door model as a starting point. So those doors are not happening. I tell you one thing, they did look nice. But I guess if you did have those doors, where would the glass be? Or for the windows. But the Ford Bronco. We have an awesome SUV here, folks. It's still a red SUV. And it's been great, and it's been a 25-year-long wait. The legendary Ford Bronco is still making a triumphant return for 2021. But unlike the original, there's now the 4-door version available alongside the traditional 2-doors body style. Not only is the 2021 Bronco a suitable daily driver, but it can tackle just about any off-road situation. And Ford has gone to great lengths to ensure, with tons of optional equipment, in fact, again, 200 factory-backed aftermarket accessories, which means they will have warranty, folks. And yes, the Jeep Wrangler is its primary target. You know, with that quasi-retro exterior, fully modern interior, removable doors, roof, the Bronco represents a new beginning of off-roading for Ford Motors. Its affordable base price makes it accessible to millions of anxious buyers, many of whom have been waiting years to see the day. But the big question remains, will the new Bronco put a significant dent into the Wrangler sales? I believe it definitely will. And I tell you one thing, I'll miss those doors. Every time that always caught my attention when I see those doors with the middle panel, it made me think of the McLaren Senna with the opening here, but it was a glass. I thought that was like it was a showcase. And it coming over to the Bronco, I was just like, wow. But I don't know how they could do that and still be able to have the glass inside the window, because you never see that kind of door with the glass, going with the glass in it. With the so you never seen that. So where would the glass hide at? So it makes sense for them not to include that. But I'm sure the aftermarket, who knows what the aftermarket may do. However, still, that exterior is still tough as nails. Ford certainly stayed true to his old Bronco styling, but added plenty of modern touches. The flat no-nonsense surface with the clear-cut edges and the square proportions, it also features a wide stance enhanced by flare fenders with a quick release attachment to make customization easier. The Ford Blue Oval is absent on the front grille. Instead, it got the big, beautiful Bronco name and is spelled out just perfectly. The Bronco can be had in 2 or 4-door configuration, and it is the best in class as far as that 11.6-inch ground clearance. A set of 35-inch tires are available. Now, the 2-door has that removable 3-section roof, while the 4-door model has the 4-section roof. A cloth roof is standard on the 4-door version, and a hardtop is available for both. Now, the frameless doors, they can be removed and stored inside along with the roof. The Bronco even has a set of cool cowl mounted side mirrors, which we've always seen here, folks. And that's pretty good. So when you remove those doors, you still have your mirrors. It has a great off-road focus, and it looks cool. There are trill sights on the end, as you see here, and here. And you need those so you know where that front end is. And these trill sights can also hold up to 150 pounds. So it's amazing. It's an amazing SUV. It's got that great technology too as well. The interior is rugged. It also is a necessary modern piece of technology. Every interior surface can be wiped down, and rubberized floors with integrated drains and marine grade vinyl seats are available in some trims. It has the go over any terrain mode, which goes back to the 1963, or I believe it was 1966. But it came about through the engineers in 1963. They started working on that, because before it used to be Jeeps, and remember it turned into the Bronco, and it became an American icon. This SUV is so awesome, folks. We're gonna miss those doors, though. We're definitely gonna miss these doors. And let's go back to take a look at them. Definitely gonna miss them. But still, with the technology inside, you have the 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Sync 4 capable, over-the-air updates, modular instrument panel, and the center console offers built-in mounting points with 12-volt powers for accessories like cameras, navigation units, and what have you. And you can't really see the mounting points up here from the outside the vehicle, but in the inside you definitely can see it. And you can't see it from the top either. This one has a light bar too, which is quite nice, and also has the things that protect it from the branches, and that's what these two lines do, to prevent branches from cracking the windshield. But boy oh boy, are we gonna miss those doors. This is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.